Will I ever be done with these 2018 Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxings? The world may never know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. For today's video, I'm going to be doing yet another 2018, yes I said 2018, Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box unboxing. Like I mentioned, will I ever be done with these Sweet Sparkle Beauty Boxes for 2018? The world may never know. It'll take a long time for me to get over myself of dragging these out for some reason. Not sure why I got behind them in the first place, but life happens. Anyways, if you're unfamiliar with Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, it's a monthly beauty subscription service featured around an entire makeup look, and it gives you products to create that look. Obviously, if you'd want to do a full tutorial based on the theme, you have to use some of your own products because there's only 5 products in each box. What's great about Sweet Sparkle is that they are all full-size items. So every single month you're always guaranteed full-size items, and it is only $21 a month with free worldwide shipping. So it's a great deal, and the box is always valued way over $21. You just can't beat it. And some of my favorite makeup products are because of Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. You guys know how much I love the subscription. Yeah, I just love it. For a while, like when they first launched, they were sending me boxes to review, so that's how I got familiar with Sweet Sparkle, and then their influencer program changed and they were no longer sending me boxes. Some people might think of that as a turn-off, but I just love their brand so much and the box so much that I bought my own subscription to Sweet Sparkle, and I just love it. So, plus I wanted to create these videos for you guys because every month as well, I do a tutorial based on the theme of that month's box. What was the last one? Oh my gosh, that's so bad. Oh, Sun Goddess. So the last Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box I did was the Sun Goddess box. I did the unboxing, and then that next video I did a Sun Goddess makeup tutorial based on the theme and the products that were included in the box. So if you have any other questions about Sweet Sparkle, definitely leave them down below, and I'll be sure to answer them. And if I can't answer them, I'll be sure to link Sweet Sparkle down below in the description below as well, so you guys can contact them if need be. And like I said, I will definitely link their website down below so that you can subscribe to their monthly box. It's just great. Plus they have an online store, and like I said, this is not sponsored. I just genuinely love Sweet Sparkle. So let's go ahead and see what is inside this box. We still have like 4 more boxes from 2018. I will never be caught up. Here's what the box looks like when I first open it, and I'm seeing 2 cards this box. The first card that I see is new. It's a K-Beauty. They're launching K-Beauty on their Sweet Sparkle online store. Shop our new collection of Korean beauty products and enjoy a discount off your entire purchase. 25% off, and then it gives the code, but I'm not going to give this code out just because it may only work with 1 per order or something. Everybody might get a different code, I don't know, since it's like a subscription, and plus it might be expired. Here's the card for this month, whatever month it was. The theme is Beauty in Paradise, which I think sounds very tropical, therefore I'm excited to see the kind of products they create. And I just love their card because it just gives the brand name, the product, and how much it is, so you know you're getting a great value. And I just love these cards because they're super helpful. Because I am subscribed to Ipsy, some of the brands that they feature are similar, like Hikari, Be a Bombshell, and brands like that, but some of the brands that they feature I'm not familiar with, so it's great to know the brand and kind of the price point of the products. Okay, so here is what is inside, and it looks like there are some great products. So let's go ahead and dig on in. And just a reminder, this box theme is Beauty in Paradise. I'm not going in any order, but the first product that I pull out is by the brand Hikari. I didn't even seriously notice that till I said, like, you know, like brands like Hikari and Be a Bombshell, like I didn't even notice that. They always wrap their products so nice, and I've never had a product come damaged from Sweet Sparkle, so it's really great. And I probably jinxed myself now, but hey, you know, up until this point, it's been good. Ooh, this is an eyeshadow quad, and they call this eyeshadow quad Amber. Ooh, this is pretty. They always pick products that fit the theme so perfect. Like the way that they always create a different theme. I don't know how they do it, and then they find products that just speak the theme. Like, oh, look at this product, you guys. I love this. The colors are so unique, but is this not like a beauty in paradise look? Oh, I'm in love. I'm in love. So I will have to get a little bit creative to see how I can incorporate these colors into my eyeshadow look when I do the Beauty in Paradise makeup tutorial. But you guys know me, I always come up with something. So I'm excited to be challenged by this eyeshadow palette. This speaks Beauty in Paradise. This eyeshadow quad retails for $15. Okay, so this next product that is in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by P.O Box. It's so funny when I said, like, they often feature brands like Ipsy does, like Kawkawlin and P.O Box, and those are the exact brands that I named, and now I'm getting 2 products by those brands. That's funny. This is a lip liner in the shade Strip Tease. I'm curious as to what lip color they want us to go for. It doesn't look like they included a lipstick, so I'll have to use my own for that, but I truly don't know what color this is. Let me swatch it. I don't even know if you can see that, but it's like an orange, like a brownish orange kind of color, so I think it'll go well with the eyeshadow, so I'll have to also dig out some kind of lipstick that I have that would go well with this. That's cool. They don't often include lip liners, so I don't use these like ever. I've only ever gotten a couple in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. In fact, one of the only other ones that I have, I received a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, and it was my Berry Crush makeup tutorial, which is like one of my most viewed makeup tutorials, you guys. Really, really liked that one, and I'm excited to give this a try. The lip liner retails for $6, and this is they call it the mechanical lip liner, and like I said, it's in the shade Strip Tease. There's one product on here that I'm like freaking out that's on the card, but I'm going to save that product for last because I want to keep you guys in suspense. Even though you guys could just skip to that part, but you know, those of you that are dedicated and watch the whole way through, it can be suspense. Okay, wow, this is a huge product, whatever this is. This is by the brand LA Splash, and this is the Wickedly Divine eyeliner. Well, I already started opening it without even realizing it's an eyeliner, so I have 2 exceptions in my tutorials. I don't use eyeliner. I think there's like one other exception, but I forgot my own exception. And I just hate eyeliner because my eyelids are so small. Eyeliner does not work. Holy smokes, this is huge. Look how big that is. That is like the largest eyeliner I've ever seen. I'll probably give this to my friend, but I won't use this. But I would have saved it for a giveaway because that would have been a nice giveaway prize, but I had already started opening it. Not this bad, so like when I give away products, I want them to be like prestige quality. But like I said, eyeliner is like the one exception, no matter what subscription, no matter if it's a Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box or not. Usually I challenge myself to use all the products, no matter what they are, even if it's like a cream product or like products I don't love working with. I like to give them a try because I might be surprised, and that's happened before. Loose pigments I never used to love, but now I love them. Yeah, but eyeliner is one exception because my eyelids are so small. Even the slightest wing, you can't see my eyeshadow as much. And personally, I also can't do eyeliner. Like, I just don't have enough steady enough hand to do it. And I know I could practice. I feel like there's just some things that we just don't do well, and sometimes you just have to accept that. And for me, that's eyeliner, and so yeah, that's the one exception that I have, but this is a huge eyeliner. Like, it's kind of absurd. That was kind of a long explanation, but I just started opening the box and I didn't realize it was an eyeliner, so that's why I was explaining all that. This retails for, this is by the brand LA Splash, by the way, and this is the Wickedly Divine eyeliner in the shade Patroness. I think that's how you say it. I have no idea, but this retails for $16. So the next product that is in my Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box is by the brand Cella, and this is an eyebrow pencil in the shade Dark Brown. I love eyebrow products. It really just doesn't take much either to just make those eyebrows pop. I don't do anything too dramatic, but just a little fill, and I'm good to go. Like I love it. I can't get this open, as you can see. Okay, first impressions. I don't know if it's supposed to be bent like this, or I did that. Maybe it's supposed to be, because when you're... They have, like I said, some nice products in this box. Like, Cella is not cheap. This looks too dark. There's what it looks like. Maybe if I go lightly on it, it won't be too bad. But part of this tutorial is to use everything that was included in the box. So I'll give it a try. Who knows? It might be my new favorite eyebrow product, and it might replace my Anastasia Beverly Hills product. Who knows? But, I mean, it doesn't look like a bad product. I just not sure about the shade. So we'll give it a try. So those of you that are seeing this video, you'll know why if I have extra dark eyebrows in that video. I don't know, I feel like I might like this, and like I said, it reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This product, wow. This product is called the Cella Eyebrow Pencil with Spoolie in the shade Dazzling Dark Brown. And this retails for $20, so it's literally, I think, $1 cheaper than the Anastasia Beverly Hills product. So, kind of wondering if this is going to be a dupe. Who knows? It's not really a dupe because it's like same price point, but $1 cheaper. So the last product in this box, I about freaked when I saw this on the card just because I could not believe the price point of this product and how much this product retails for. The fact that the subscription is only $21 a month. I literally don't know how they made any money in this box. Even though this specific box, Beauty in Paradise box, is no longer available on Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box, since it's a monthly box. I will link all the individual products down below as well, in case any of these specific products interest you. As a reminder, those products that I link are affiliate links for the most part that I have access to. So when you purchase a product using any of the affiliate links, I do receive a small commission. So just putting that out there, I like to be transparent with you guys. But this is a brush set by the brand Dome Beauty. I've never received a brush set in a Sweet Sparkle box before. I received like single brushes. I received cheap ones like e.l.f. and like other, I think, various brands, but not a brush set. And the reason I'm a little freaking out about how much this is because it retails for $65. That's right, $65. As in like 6'5". Oh my gosh, I cannot believe anybody would pay $65. That's insane, and I don't even hear that many people talk about Dome Beauty. This is interesting. So this is the 3 brush set, and this comes with an all over shadow brush, eyeshadow lid brush, and an eyeliner brush. Let's open it and see what $65 brushes look like. So this set costs $65. Whoa. So here's what they look like. They each come with their own individual cover. Like, this is fancy. I think this product was like the selling point, I bet you, for a lot of people to subscribe, because I bet you there were a lot of subscriptions, people that signed up for that month when they saw this. Look at it, comes with its own little cover, like with Velcro and everything. I'm saving this, that's cool. Wait a minute, I'm so confused. Literally just dropped the eyeliner brush, but I'm not going to use that one anyways. But here are the 2 brushes. I'll insert a picture of the actual Dome Beauty 3 brush set, because Chloe's outside right now. My parents help take care of her needs if I need to film when I need to film a quick video. So they told me they were letting her outside for a few minutes. They'll like pop in and tell me if she is going to be outside or something. So that way when I call her and if I need something, I don't say like, Chloe, and then have her not come. But anyway, so I'll insert a picture. This is a 3 brush set. It comes with all over shadow, eyeshadow lid brush, and eyeliner. But look at how absurdly large that this brush is. Holy smokes, that's like, this is bigger than my whole eyelid. I feel like this would be better for like a highlighting brush. Let me know, but definitely not an all over the lid brush. I bet you this is the all over shadow, and then this is the lid. But definitely going to be using this lid brush. This is really, really nice. These are some nice brushes, and I can't believe they included a $65 brush set in here. So here's everything that was in my box. It's pretty much destroyed now, but overall I'm impressed with this box. This is one of the best Sweet Sparkle boxes I've ever received. A lot of people really like eyeliner, so I'm not upset about the eyeliner. It's not totally customized box, so I'm not like upset about it, but it's based on the theme that they do the products. They did include a lip liner, but It would have been nice if they included like a lipstick to go along with it for this look, but that's okay, we'll make do, and this is like hands down my favorite box I've ever received. This box retails for almost $100. What an amazing theme of beauty in paradise, and I'm so excited to create this look for you guys, to create this beauty in paradise makeup look. Let me know what you thought of this box down below, and if you are thinking about subscribing to Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box. This box was hands down the best Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box I've ever received. The value was just absolutely amazing, and I'm just amazed. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!